Hello everyone. If you can see me, then kindly reply in the chat. Tamal, let's wait for a few minutes.
Yeah, okay.
Tamal, let's wait for a few minutes.
Yeah, okay.
Tamal, let's wait. Folks who are watching us live, kindly reply in the chat. Are we audible or visible to you? Uh, Thanks, Matthias, for replying. Tamal will not be showing his video. He has some issue with his camera, so let's start. Is my screen visible?
Yes, it's visible.
Okay, that's great. So, Matthias, have you created any issue? I'm starting from. Let's put this in the chat first. I have given a link. I have shared a link with all of you. Kindly go there. You can create an issue there and add your profile, GitHub profiles for review. I'm starting from the last one. It's Vardhan Agarwal. Let's see. Wow, that's nice. This snake game. This looks
Yeah.
awesome. What do you think, Tamal?
Yeah, the profile looks awesome. Like I would also suggest an about me. Like,
Yeah.
yeah, there should be an about me. And also the connect with me, languages and tools, these can totally be in the center. So yeah, rest all it looks like clean.
Yes.
Also, I would highly recommend getting active in GitHub. Yeah, rest of it looks
Yeah,
awesome.
because contribution is too less.
Yes, exactly. I can see they have actually joined organizations. Maybe have
AD Hub.
something. Yeah, awesome.
That's great. So let's give you the feedback here.
Hello, Rakesh. Thanks for joining in.
Guys, sorry, I forgot to introduce Tamal. Tamal is our guest in this live stream. Tamal, can you introduce yourself?
So, hello everyone that's actually watching the stream. I am Tamal. I'm a pre-final year student studying computer science, and I'm an open source advocate for coding community. And like folks, those who knows Eddie Hub knows me too because I'm super active in there too. So yeah, that's a little bit of introduction from my side. And thanks, Susmita, for having me.
I'm lucky to have you here.
Uh,
It is the first time I'm doing this kind of new thing, inspired by AD Hub.
yeah, it's awesome reviewing others' profile. Like everyone gets to know a lot.
Yeah, and making a GitHub profile, the readme about someone is awesome, and which is the most important. And developers can call it the next generation resume, which is going to be
Yeah,
because
exactly.
yeah. Tamal, can you check in the screen? Have I missed anything?
Um, let's zoom it in.
Yeah, check here.
Yeah, can you like show the comments here? Kindly be active on GitHub with social links into the center. The profile. Yeah, we can also add an about me. The profile has no about
Yeah.
me. Yeah, so that will be fine.
Okay, so congratulations to all of us who are watching this stream and both of us who are in this stream. For you people reviewing the profile, we have done our first profile review. Kudos to Vardhan Agarwal. I don't know whether you are here in the stream or not, but I hope you will be watching the stream later on.
Yeah, so Matthias actually created a profile review. If you would scroll up to the top.
Yeah, okay. So since I'm going from bottom to top, uh, we will do it soon.
Yeah, okay.
So next comes is Mohammed A. Hamid. Okay, let's see.
That's a nice banner.
Yeah, I thought that there's nothing, but suddenly it came up loading.
Yeah, it loaded. Yeah, it took times to
Yeah,
load, but yeah, it looks good.
This can be made colorful, I guess.
Yeah, that can be made colorful because it looks great in the light mode. Like I am using light mode, it looks perfect, but it's gonna break as soon as it's dark. So
Uh, so shall we write there that we can that he
yeah,
can make
yeah,
it?
yeah. We can like
Yeah, because
have the social icons.
yeah, for dark mode, let me have a screenshot. Otherwise, I guess he might have been using the light mode. That's why he can't get this.
Yeah, that may be a case too.
Yeah. Wow, there's an awesome project NASA picture. Oh, he has just created a NASA API, an app using NASA API.
Yeah, this looks awesome.
This is a nice thing.
But I would also again recommend to like not have the projects listed in
Yeah,
this manner because
yeah.
like you can already pin the projects down below. Plus,
He
you
has
can just
also done
actually
that.
list it out. Yeah. So what it does, it duplicates the same thing again and again. So it's not of
Hmm.
much use. Otherwise, it looks fine.
Yeah, and
Let's
this thank you is
let's
also a new thing I've seen.
yeah,
Yeah, and he's also active.
yeah. The about me can be a little bit longer. Like it says software
Hmm.
engineer with 100 devs. That's okay. And yeah, this has location and everything. Yeah, that's good.
Okay.
The social links works perfectly, so that's a
Hmm.
bonus.
Yeah, on hover it's showing me the social links. That means it's worked perfectly.
Yeah.
Hey Tamal, is it okay?
Yeah, this looks perfect.
Okay. So let's see who's next.
Yeah, next is Salman.
Is Salman in the live stream?
Let's see. I don't know. Yeah, hopefully they watches.
Yeah, but link is wrong.
Yeah, we can just click. We can just click that
Yeah,
profile. Yeah. I think they forgot to like add the last part of it.
it's clean, but many improvements can be done.
Yes, totally. Like I would highly recommend having a banner.
Yes.
They do have a location and their socials right there, but there is a lot of unused space to the right side as you can see. So it will be totally worth it to be using those. And also I would highly recommend getting in much more active in GitHub so that
Hmm.
it looks much more green.
In one of it is live stream, there was a quote like we have to give some quote on open source. So I gave one, and it was one of my favorites since then. More green squares equals to more open source.
Yeah, yeah. That looks perfect.
Yeah. Anything else? Tamal, are you there?
Yes, this looks perfect.
Okay. Next is Murtuza.
Let's quickly open that.
Yeah, and I would.
It's still loading for me. Yeah, finally.
And here, I guess this latest block thing would be put in the top.
Yeah,
This
the
contribution
latest
task,
blog things can be put up in the top if they like really want to divert the audience into the stuffs
yes.
on there. And I would also highly recommend a banner. Like there's no banner for it.
Yes.
Yeah, I can recommend a banner because it makes the profile looks much more clean and everything is in the center. So yeah, that's good. The languages I have worked with, and then again the tech stack. I don't think that's like both of them are required. Like if you would scroll down, there are languages I have worked with along with
Yeah.
then they have again placed the same icons for the text stack. So,
Since this is good, this part is good, so he can keep this part only.
yes, exactly, because we already know what languages are there.
Yes.
Like we can actually use either one because that's not of much use if we have double things.
And this, I guess, this coding time is extra because developers often code every day.
Yeah, that can be a thing. But many of us prefer having that. But yeah, we can actually remove this. They can actually remove this if they want to. The graph looks pretty green, so that's a nice thing.
Hmm.
And I can see they have actually joined and contributed to several organizations. So yeah, that's awesome.
And also many achievements they have.
Yeah,
It here
that's what
again.
that's a popular one.
Okay, Tamal?
Yeah, this looks awesome.
Yeah. It's short.
Yeah, the README can definitely be a little bit more, and the
Yes.
banner might be in the center too. But if it's a long banner, yeah, it looks cool. And I think they forgot to edit that hashtag right before that emoji.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's why it's there. Yeah, these happens.
Also, she is
Yeah,
active. I guess she can do it.
yeah, they're active in GitHub. So yeah, the socials and the tech stacks can again be in the center. So like we can actually
Yes.
write to have everything in the center as much as possible. And rest of it looks fine. Like there's a location, there's her
Hmm.
Twitter, the Twitter link works perfectly. So yeah, that's good. Awesome.
For folks who have joined recently, they can and add their GitHub link. by using this link I have shared in the channel. I'm sharing for once again for you people. Just go here and create an issue to get your profile reviewed. Oh, Tamal sir is in form. Yes, Rishit, Tamal
Yeah,
sir is in form. Mr. X Tamal, some Rishabh is calling you Mr. X.
yeah, I just saw.
We should have played a little bit of background music of Mr. X movie. Okay, so where are we? We are
Yeah.
reviewing the file of victory. Okay, Tamal?
Yes, that will do.
And I guess when she will be watching the stream, she can watch the other profiles and can improve her profile too.
Yeah.
Next is Playtanu.
Yeah. You have the no. Let's check it out. That's a cute picture.
Yes, short, very short and clean.
Yes, that's what I actually loved about this. It's short, but it's clean. That's awesome.
Yes.
Also, another thing I would recommend, like in the pinned section, there are like one, two, three, four, five repos. So there's an extra white space. So if they have another repo which they want to pin and everything, they can do that, or they can have four, so that it looks a little bit more
Yeah,
organized and
I
clean.
can see 68 repositories. So they can,
Yes.
and so many projects here, so they can always keep one.
Yeah. Awesome. And a little bit much more contributions on GitHub would be fine.
Yeah. Looks fine.
Yeah.
Who's next?
Next we have I don't know
Osbo
how to.
Warrior.
Yeah, Osbovar. I hope I spelled your name correctly.
Yeah, let's see.
Well, the very first thing that I would recommend is to
And
not.
about
Yeah,
an
and about
about section, a
and
banner, and then these things.
yeah, and also like not to follow 3600 people.
Yes.
Like yeah, I know it's great following up people and everything, but 3600 is like a really a huge lot of people to follow.
Also, he has many followers too.
Yeah, I don't know if that's legit or something else, but yeah, that's cool.
That's good, but these things need to be modified.
Yeah, these things needs to be modified, and I feel the readme is like way too long. Like someone who's
Yeah,
gonna come and visit, they will have to like scroll all the way down.
and I don't know why he has given this Waddle online here. And I
Yeah,
guess this is a
I
demo of one single project.
yeah. So what they has done, they have actually posted linked screenshots. Like whenever, yeah, they have actually posted screenshot of their projects in their README. So they do have it pinned in the pinned section. So I don't think like these screenshots are adding any value. It's making the README look much more bloated.
Yeah, and also the readme is too long and no contributions
Yeah, I would
recently.
highly recommend getting active in GitHub. And some folks actually do contribute, but since they have kept their repositories private, I would also like to tell them to go to the settings and hit on the setting which makes it shows. Because like if you are contributing to your private project and it's not showing, then I don't know what's it going on. Awesome. Let's drop in some comments.
Yeah.
Yeah, the very first thing would be to not have such a long readme, it's like really long, and not to follow so much people.
Am I missing something? Tamal, you there?
Yeah, sorry, my mic was muted. Yeah, that looks good.
Okay. Next is Pratik.
Yeah, next we have Pratik here. Okay, this is really
Hey
short.
Madhut, welcome to the live stream. So it's shorter.
Yeah, this is shorter and
Here
something.
something seems broken.
Yeah, that streak thing. Most probably, it seems broken. The GitHub broken and everything. Yeah, the rest all looks good.
Let me open a new tab. Still seems something seems broken. He
Yeah,
was
they are
active
trying to
since.
be active. Yeah, they were trying to
Yes.
be active, so that's good. So I would actually recommend having a like banner and like
Yeah.
the about me section is totally empty. Like there's no location, there's nothing. Like if someone actually wanted to collaborate, they can actually come in and they can actually check. Okay, you are from here, so I know you. Like that.
Let's have a screenshot to show him that this thing is broken. Here.
Yeah,
One pro tip for the folks who are watching, I have this awesome screenshot and screen recorder. This is an Chrome extension. You can, if you're using Chrome, you can just search for it and use this. It's very handy, and I can take the screenshot in just few clicks like this, as you can see.
wow, that's awesome.
Yeah, and also that's why live stream are awesome. New things we often get to
Yeah,
learn.
yeah, I do use an application for screenshot. It's known as Light Shot or something like that, and it's really awesome. So everyone that's new to the live stream, you all can actually go to the link that's given, and you can actually submit your profile for review. And yeah, it's gonna be awesome to review profiles.
Hey Tamal, do you know how to show the comments randomly in the live stream? Like I have to click on show for
No, I
limited
don't
number of
have an
times.
idea. Like I have seen those who have a secondary monitor, they keep it on the right side and they randomly scroll through their
Ah,
mouse and just click on show. So yeah, awesome. So
for
after
this I
this,
have
I
to
think
switch
yeah.
tab.
So yeah, that's the thing. If you have any extra monitor or something like that, you can like hang it up to the side and then you can do that. So after this, I think we should go from the top because there are folks who are
Yes, yes, yes.
actively putting it up. So let's also review theirs.
Yeah, I hope we are done with this.
Yeah,
So who comes first?
yeah,
Okay,
we can.
before going here, I wanna see the excitement in the chat. Put your issue number here.
Kamal's voice is so unexpected. So how did you think my voice is gonna be? 99, 96. So let's do 99 first.
Yeah, let's do 99 first. Then
99, yeah, got a project she code.
this is this looks good.
Yeah, this looks good. I
Uh,
would, yeah, you go first.
I would like to change this because this is a Bengali, is written in Bengali, and not all people knows this language.
Yeah, exactly. Like when you will grow your profile and will be contributing to other
Yes.
people, it's gonna be difficult to understand Bengali.
I hope Rajeshi you are here,
Yeah, I think he's there.
so you can change this. This is the first thing, and from here, in this section, you have written that what in this line you have written that what you believe. This thing kindly translate it in English,
Yeah,
and what more changes you would recommend, Tamal?
I would recommend firstly to center out things. Like if you go to my GitHub stats section, we do have an extra white space. So maybe we can push both of these to the in one single line.
Yes.
And also there's an extra line which says note top languages is only a metric. So we can actually like remove that maybe. So yeah, that looks good.
So let's have a review here. Hey Rajeshi.
Yeah, the social links works perfectly. So that's cool.
One more thing. Do you think that the social links would be there where it is?
Yeah, it can be much more in the center, and instead of writing connect with me, views and followers, like you can just remove those headers and like put the icons. Like if there's a
Yeah, I
Twitter icon
I
and a
guess
LinkedIn
yeah.
icon, we already know like what to do. So yeah,
And I guess this views and followers is the extra part
yeah,
because if any
yes,
recruiters come to visit his profile, then he would not be interested in this part.
yeah, exactly.
And I can see he's trying to be active, which is good.
Yes, that's the best thing.
Do you think a banner needs to be added?
Yes, they can actually add a banner too. And after adding a banner, we can actually, remove that graph, else it's gonna be
Yes.
like super long.
okay, Tamal?
Yes, this looks perfect.
Yeah. Let's see who's next.
Yes, yes.
Excitement in the chat. 101. No, this next is 101.
So we do have
Mudit,
a question.
yes.
How to add
Tamal,
that view count batch and
answer.
read me using people's
Kindly
profile?
answer Mudit's question. In the meanwhile, let me see who is
Yeah.
101.
Mudit, so that viewer count and everything, yeah, that's probably an extension, but let me just check it once. That's probably an extension, like you can actually go to that link and add it up, but let's actually just see it. Profile
Good question, Mudit.
followers, profile views. What you can do is, Mudit, you can actually go to Rajashi's profile and just go to their README and take a look at what they have done for that profile views. Like I used to have these, but I actually removed these long ago. So like I forgot like how to add these back. So you can check it out.
This contains a lot of things. The next is Suman.
Yes. Yeah. So we've got Suman here. Let's see. Yeah. Languages and tools, IDE, helpful platforms, and connect with me at. Okay.
Connect with me here. The LinkedIn part is
Yeah, the LinkedIn
up
part
and
has
down.
got down. So
Okay.
I would
Then
recommend removing the helpful platforms because I don't think that's their personal. Let's just click on it. Code chef. No, that's
for helpful
oh
platforms, he can create a README and then list things which are helpful for
yes,
folks.
exactly. Plus no, the icons doesn't actually takes you anywhere. Like it's static, just image. So the
Yes.
helpful platforms are not helping at all. So they can actually like remove that.
And in the mode stats, he has also added something. And I think this topic count, there was an image and it seems broken. And this
Yes,
recent article and blogs should be given up, like above the mode stats section.
exactly. I would recommend them to like have a larger banner. Like if you go to Canva and there's an option like landscape banner, 76 cross 36, I think. So that's the largest banner you can get. So I would recommend using that because it's gonna look a bit bigger in the center. And welcome to my profile. Yeah, rest all looks good.
Yeah, so a big banner, and this things to be corrected,
Remove.
and this
Yeah,
should be removed, and trophy count seems broken.
yeah,
This should be gone upwards. Okay,
yes.
that's cool.
Also a tip for those who are watching and everyone. Like ever, whenever you are writing readme and everything, don't write like newbie to something. What you can do is you can write just enthusiast. Like if you are starting development, you just write I am a web development enthusiast or something like that. So that way you are it looks better than writing newbie. 100. Okay, Abhishek, we will do your next.
Let's have a screenshot of this part.
Yes.
Yeah, so all good. So
Yes.
let's move on to the next.
So let's do
Excitement
100, I
in
think.
the chat.
96, 100.
100. Okay.
Yeah. Who's 100? Shikla007. Yeah. Got it.
My mouse is creating problem. Why?
Everything breaks in live stream sometimes.
Like your camera. Ah.
Yes, exactly. This looks clean.
Yes, and
Okay.
one thing, the badges part. You can see?
Yes, it's like they forgot to add space or something, so it's like broken.
Yes. And he is trying to be active.
Yes, it's time to be active, so that's again great. They can actually remove top
Yes.
languages because I think whenever you are making any project, so the top language is already shown in that project, so the top languages are not adding any value. Francisco is here. Oh my
Hey,
God.
Francisco. Oh my God, Francisco in my live stream. I'm very honored. Really.
Yes,
Okay, so the changes what can be done is the broken thing here. The badges can be fixed. This
exactly.
and
And instead of writing the location to be like totally remote, what they can do is they can like write their location and then write remote or like that. So yeah, that's cool.
Abhishek, I hope you're in the live stream. So try to be active to get more achievements in the form of sticker here. As you have seen that in the previous profile that we have reviewed, there were more achievements here. So which seems cool.
Yes, the socials works well. So great.
Yeah, and he has many skills, which is also good. And he has 28 repositories, nice contributions.
Yes, that's a bonus.
Yes,
Awesome profile. Also, you can actually add a banner. Abhishek, if you're listening, you can actually like add a banner. That
and
would make it look
Abhishek,
much more better.
since you are getting active, I'd also recommend you to give to focus on a little bit of more code reviews and issues and PRs. Like this graph will look good, more better. Francisco, which link are you talking about?
Probably the link to the live stream or something like that.
Uh, he has already shared in the 4C community. Thanks for that. Hello, Prantik. Okay, let's complete this issue number 100.
Awesome.
Yeah. So, who's next? Excitement in the chat.
Next is probably Mudit, I think. They have been telling.
Okay, Mudit is telling for a long. I can see Mudit 96. Okay.
Okay,
Kelvin, wait
Mudit.
for a little while. 98, 98. I'm excited to see Mudit's. Sorry, Mudit is 96. Sorry for that.
Yeah, Mudit.
96. So here comes Mudit's. Looks good. Nice, the
Yes, it
table
looks good.
thing.
Yeah, this is something new that I have seen today.
Yes.
This looks perfect. See, everyone that's actually watching the live stream and will watch the live stream later. So this is what I was talking about. If you go to my GitHub stats, like those who want to have two of the stats together, what they can do is put it side by side. So in that way, the space might be utilized a little bit more.
Eddie up again. I hope
Yes,
Eddie was in the live stream. You'd been super happy.
everyone's joining anyhow these days. This is awesome.
Francisco, if you are in the live stream, kindly tell Eddie that the profile we have been reviewing till now, most of them were of ADF community along with us. Like me and also Tamal belong to the ADF community.
Yes, everyone's there. Awesome. A banner can be an addition, and I don't think the
Yes,
contribution graph is needed because we already do have the green squares.
but this looks good.
Yeah, this does looks good.
And in the pinned projects, Mudit, you can add another one to hide this blank space in the right.
Yes, exactly. They are actually building up stuff, so that's awesome.
Yes, that's good.
They're active
And
in GitHub. That's cool.
folks who don't know, Mudit has just passed his high school and just got into college, and he has been hacking with me into hackathons of MLH.
That's awesome. That's awesome.
His ideas are super cool.
That's
And also,
awesome.
we own a hackathon with his idea, and the hackathon name was Wild Hacks 2.
Wild hacks too. Yeah, that's awesome. Great to see people actually participating in hackathons more.
And also, one thing I'd like to mention about him, it was his first hackathon.
That's awesome. Winning the first hackathon is definitely an achievement.
Yes. Yeah, Mudit, Eddie Hub Supremacy. I was just about to tell. Okay, so let's see who's next.
Yes, that's
Excitement in the chat. Seems Kelvin 98. Okay,
98. Okay.
you're welcome with it. Let's see who's 98. 98 is Kelvin. Okay, so here comes Kelvin.
This looks awesome. So yeah, you go first.
Yeah, and Kelvin, as you saw in Mudit's profile, these two things were aligned side by side. You can do that to make your readme shorter.
Yes, that can be a thing.
And social skills can be these things can be aligned in the center. And you have already given here to follow you, so I guess this is duplicate one already here. There it's redirecting to the Twitter part, and this is also the same in the social section, so there's a duplicate part. What you can do is either remove this top one and keep what you have here, which is I guess good. And for visitors, this is extra, I think, from my point of view.
Yes, the visitors are like the people who actually visits your profile, so you can
Yes.
actually remove that. And moreover, the visitors are like the API is kind of broken because it's if I refresh the page on and on, it will just the number will just keep on increasing. So that's not a logical thing. And also in socials, you can actually remove that GitHub because we are already in GitHub. And as Susmita already said, you can remove those badges too. That's awesome. Front end developer, content writing on Twitter. You can actually have a banner and also maybe increase something in the about section. Also in company, you have give EdiHub community. You can actually put something else, but
Yes,
that's not a
in
company.
because in company there's the thing where you will be working in a
Yes.
company in the future, and which you are gonna add here.
Yes. For now, if you don't have any company, you can like add your college and everything if you
Yes,
want to. Yeah, rest all looks good.
or keep it blank as it is.
Yes, that can be also.
Folks who are watching us, if I have forgot to tell you that to align this thing side by side, kindly take note. You can align these two things side by side to make your readme shorter and look good.
Yes, exactly.
And also, Kelvin, you can focus a little more on the code reviews.
Yes, it would be nice to get a diamond.
Yes. I know maintaining consistency and having a diamond every day is too difficult. I once had this kind of thing, a triangle kind of thing, but for
Yes,
now it's not there. It happens based on your
Exactly.
contributions.
Everyone who's like watching, be ready for Hacktoberfest. Like it's coming from October, so you can get your issues, pull review, pull request, code reviews, and everything.
Yeah, this I was I sorry, I forgot this. Thanks for sharing it to the community. Uh, am I missing something? I guess yes.
Align the GitHub stats by side by side, make profile shorter. Yeah, you can just write a banner, add a
Yeah.
banner if you want to. Yeah, that's good. Good to go.
Oh yeah, things in the center
Yes,
and
that can be also a
this
thing.
duplicate thing.
Yes, duplicate socials and center.
So we are done with this. Who's next? Drum rolls in the chat.
Who's next? I think we have 102 Prantik. They requested earlier.
100,
What was it? It was 102, I guess.
102.
102, yeah, it's Prantik.
Yeah, it's Prantik. Yeah, looks good. Oh, you use daily.dev. That's nice.
This is nice.
229 articles to it. Awesome.
That's awesome.
Hey Prantik, I can see you haven't joined any organization. You can do it.
Yes,
I
and
would.
also like if you have joined the organization, make sure you have made it public because I used to
Yes.
have organizations but in private, so that was a fault. Awesome, this looks clean.
Yeah. And one thing, he's trying to be active. That's good. And one thing you can add the graph here, which is not visible. The contribution graph. And this space is blank. Prantik, you can add one more order repository here or remove one of this.
Awesome.
Other things looks cool.
Yeah, it looks cool. I really like the way how they actually did
Yes.
this side by side. So it makes it the profile look much more cleaner and organized.
Other things are fine, and the contribution graph. Tamal, it's okay.
Yeah, it looks all right.
Okay. Hey, we have crossed 1 hour. See,
Yeah, that's
I
awesome.
don't even know who's next. Drum rolls in the chat. I guess we can go one by one
Yes,
since
that
there's no
would be
reply.
good.
We are left with one, two, three, four, five, six, seven. Yeah, we're left with seven, so let's do them quickly.
Okay, so we're gonna be doing Narayan, I think. Yeah.
This seems something new.
Yes, this does seem something new, and also everyone's using the snake game, so
Yes,
that's in trend too.
and there's one details section.
This looks
Okay,
clean.
yes.
I would recommend Narayan, you can actually remove that snake game and instead of that, put your stats up so that people can see these and the details can be as it is.
Yeah, one thing can be done is move this details tag and this keep the stats up and remove the snake down if he wants to really keep it.
Yeah, that's the thing.
And he's active on GitHub, that's good. You can also focus a little more on code reviews and issues.
Exactly.
And little bit of PRs too. When you create issues, obviously PRs will be on the way only after
Awesome.
you get assigned. Yeah, achievements are good. Okay, and there's
Yes,
all these
well,
things also good.
yeah, this looks perfect.
Yeah. Hey Tamal, I hope we are good with this.
Yes, this looks good.
Yeah. Can we have a slight music in the background?
Your call. I'm good with it.
Hey Tamal, can you kindly play a good music? No copyright, obviously, otherwise there will be a copyright strike.
Oh no, I don't have any copyright else music. And even if I play, I don't think it's gonna be like in the background because you need to play it because it's gonna be through your stream.
Hmm. Can't see such options. Let's see. Narayan, kindly create an issue in the GitHub repository. We will review your profile. Okay, so, oops, sorry. We were only reviewing Narayan's profile.
Yeah. We did actually review Narayan's profile.
My mistake. Okay, so let's. Who's next? It's issue number 72. Let's see.
Yeah. Yeah.
It's Muhammad Abdullahi Hassan. Okay. Uh, this seems good. These things can be aligned side by side.
Yeah.
Cool
That's
achievements. Oh,
nice.
ED is sponsoring him. That's super awesome. He has two sponsors. So
No,
many
it's more
organizations.
like sponsoring. I think he's sponsoring Eddie or something like that.
Oops, my mistake. That
Yeah.
might be the case.
Yes. So they
Yeah,
are
that's
actually
cool.
sponsoring Eddie. Yeah, that's nice. That's cool.
That's cool. These two things can be aligned side by side, and other things looks okay. You can focus a little more on code reviews.
Yes, it's and also the GitHub contributions
Yes.
looks green. So yeah, it's awesome. Cool.
So what we can improve is focus a little more on the code reviews, and other
Yeah.
things are okay, right?
Yes, exactly.
And these things can
Code
be aligned.
reviews, yeah, center and that that do of course.
Yeah. And we are good to go with this.
Yes.
Who's next? Let's see who's next. Okay, these are older ones. One, two, three, four, five. We're left only with five.
Five of these.
Uh, Thank you, Narayan, for coming in this stream and getting your profile reviewed. Okay, so next comes is programming school pro coding. Okay, let's see.
Let's just open it up. Yeah, it's still loading. Okay, nice. Everyone's using delete that there. That's awesome.
Yes, that's awesome. These two things can be aligned side by side to make the readme shorter,
Exactly.
and these things can be also be aligned in one line as there are spaces. The git profile topic also looks good. Blog post can be kept in the top.
Yeah, and also we can like they can actually remove recent activity because if you like go down an activity overview contributions graph, so folks can
Yes.
actually see your activity down there too.
Yeah, and
So
by clicking here
yeah,
and focus a little more on code reviews and other things are okay.
yes, that looks good. And also stuffs are broken, so that needs to
Which
be
one?
fixed. Like if you go up beside profile views, I don't know what's that, but it's broken.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
And also the gists, so those two are broken.
Let's have a screenshot.
Yeah. So all that is needed is to fix the broken links
Yes.
and center alignment and removing recent activity. These three.
Links, yeah, all links are working fine.
Yeah, everything else is looking good.
Hitamal, kindly check once.
Yeah, it looks good.
Yeah, let's see who's next.
Yeah, so we have Madeline.
Short and clean.
Exactly. That's one word to describe it. Short and clean. It looks awesome. Wow. They have spent a really long time in GitHub.
Yes.
11 years. It's 11 years. Awesome.
And he has also someone who is sponsoring him.
Exactly. Awesome. Yeah, it looks perfect. I think if
Yeah,
the me is like this much, shorter, so yeah, I think it's good to go even without a banner if it's short. But if it's like really
hmm.
long, what we can do is we can add a banner to look it clean. But yeah, this looks good. I don't think I can recommend something else.
And one more pin repo can be added.
Yes, exactly. Like there's an extra space, so why not?
Yes, and I don't want to comment more because he has been on GitHub for so long, and he
Exactly.
also is a cloud engineer. So I don't want to comment on the code review and issues part.
Yes, they have been working.
Yes. Okay, so who's next? Let's see.
Next, we have Shivam, I believe.
Again, this stats. These stats can be aligned side by side,
Exactly. The
and
stats can be
things
aligned.
things can be made in center.
Yes, I would highly recommend having tech stacks, socials in the center, and also a banner might look good too.
Yeah, we have 6 pin repos, which is also good.
Exactly.
AD again, great.
Mm. Everyone's in Ediha. Awesome. So just a banner and centering the tech stacks and also aligning it in one line.
Yeah, and we are good to go.
Yeah,
So we are left with only two.
exactly. So next is Mayank, I believe.
Yes.
Yeah. So just let's open the profile and Qt Simplify Ambassador, front-end developer, writer, co-star in hackathon.
Short and clean.
Yeah, this looks cool. It's short and it's clean.
One thing I have
Also,
seen that's it's also added in my GitHub repo. That's this stats always represent here A plus.
Yes,
Only
probably
link
yeah, some
of
sort of
contribution.
maybe filter for the API or something like that. I don't understand what it does, but it shows it.
Yeah,
Yeah, but
in case
it's great to have this on the profile too.
yeah, and one more thing is that he can also add his tech stack, I guess.
Yeah, a lot of additions can be made, but if they prefer it much more shorter, so if it's short, I would tell them to have it clean. And if they want to
Yeah,
add too much stuff, then it must be organized so that it looks good from the outside. Yeah, that looks good. We
and
can also have another printed report. Yeah,
yeah, other things good. A little more on code review.
exactly.
One thing have you noticed here? He haven't added any socials.
Yes, except the Twitter, there's no socials in
Yes.
the readme. So if they want, they can add socials too.
Yeah, and we are good to go.
Yeah, that's perfect.
Folks who are watching us, thanks for joining in the live stream. We are left only with
Yeah, just
one
one, I
profile.
believe.
Yeah, one profile review. If you any one of you wanna add your profile to review it, just go to the link and you're good to go and create an
Exactly.
issue there. Otherwise, we will be closing our live stream after this.
So next we
So,
have Sam.
yeah,
Okay, the very first thing I would like to tell to everyone, and particularly to Sam, referring to Sam's profile, is not to add their bio in a particular language. Like they have wrote PHP and they have wrote their bio. I get it about the current project. I get it. It looks clean as a coder, but for example, for me, I have not used that much of PHP, or I have less experience in it. So doing this type of thing will actually make more trouble for the people that are actually viewing the profile. So that's a weird thing. So instead, you can simply write about me and stuff like that.
so what can we do is comment that instead of this, they can write simply in simple
Yeah,
language.
exactly.
And
Instead of
here,
yeah, it's a long thing. let's see a
It's
customer
long thing.
project. Yeah, they can actually align these cards, and
Yeah,
instead of code, we can actually write it out.
and have a banner here since he
Yes.
wants to make it longer.
Yeah, they can actually have a banner, and instead of this much
Hmm.
code in the README, they can actually write it out.
And one more repo addition in the
Yeah,
pink part.
exactly.
Hey Tamal, I hope we are good with this.
Yeah, yeah, it's good to go.
Hello Karthik. I hope we have reviewed Karthik's profile.
Yes, I think we did.
Let me
So
check
Karthik
once.
is actually asking a question to you.
Uh, Backend. Yeah, Karthik, tell me what you want to know about backend development. Tamal, are you a full stack dev?
Yes, I am actually a full stack dev.
Are you good with Hindi?
Yes, I am.
Okay, so I guess you can answer the question along with me. Karthik, you just write your question in the chat.
No, we have not actually reviewed Karthik's profile. There were no issues, probably.
Karthik, we are doing a GitHub profile review in this live stream. We have almost reviewed so many profiles, and if you want to uh,
Yeah,
review your GitHub profile, just go to the link and create an issue.
yeah. Also, for any questions, you can just ask in the chat
Yes,
box. So, all total, we reviewed 8 profiles. That's awesome.
that's awesome.
I think it's more than 8, like it's not loading here. Yeah, maybe 8 to 10.
Yeah. Hey Megha, welcome to this live stream. Hey Megha, do you want to review your GitHub profile? If yes, because I guess we haven't reviewed your profile. Yes, then you can go to the link and create an issue. We will do it
Yeah,
right now. Uh, yes, let me put the link in the chat again. Yes, some people have. Hey Megha, go to this link and create an issue. I hope Mega's profile would be the last in this stream.
Probably.
Yeah. Yeah, do it, Mega. Hey Megha, you are taking too long time, I guess, for creating an issue. I guess you are new to GitHub. That's fine. Kindly do it a little faster.
Yeah, or they can, if they have trouble with the issue, they can actually put the link here or maybe their username here.
Yes.
It
If you
works
are ever
either
having
way.
trouble, just put your GitHub username in the chat.
Yeah, so we do have the profile review by Megha issue.
New profile. There's Madhav Gupta.
Yeah, I guess we'll just review these two profiles. Let's
Yes.
open Megha's first.
Hey Madhav, in the meanwhile, you can just go to the link and create an issue. So that would be good for you, because if you forget to modify your profile now, then you can just go there and see what changes would like to
Yeah,
have.
exactly.
Okay, let's see Megha's profile.
I think Megha is fairly new to the world of GitHub.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's why there's no README. Megha, what you can do is you can like basically go to YouTube and search how to create a GitHub README, and you can make some fantastic README from there.
Yeah, and one
Other,
tip for you, you can also do right now is that create a new repository with your name. Like I can see
yes,
you have
with your
your
username. Yeah,
use Megha Keshri with no space in between. You can just do that with create the repository with that name only, and it will be a special repository which will be reflected in the form of README.
exactly.
Hey Dheeraj, bro, it's my second live stream, and happy to have you I'm happy to have you in this stream. Thanks for joining in. We are doing a profile, get a profile review with Tamal. We can also have your profile review. Just what you have to do is go to the link and create an issue. Okay, so for Megha, I would recommend to create a
Read me.
repository.
Yeah.
So Tamal, we are good with this.
Yeah, that's perfect.
Yeah, I just wrote a little longer because she's new to the
That's
GitHub
cool. That's
world.
cool.
Yeah.
Awesome. I think we have reviewed most of the profiles. Let's see if there's any
Almost
new issue.
9 or
Yeah.
10.
Yeah, probably 11. I don't know.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
Yeah, 9.
Okay,
Yeah.
9.
That's awesome.
One more to hit 10. I know it's too late. Oh, 1 hour 49 minutes. It's almost too long.
2 hours. That's awesome.
I didn't thought about it. I thought it would be about 30 minutes only.
Yeah, reviewing does takes a little bit of longer time.
Yeah. You're welcome, Megha.
Awesome. So anyone else gonna be creating issues?
Folks who are watching the live stream, I'm repeating for you again who are joining in right now. We are doing a GitHub profile review.
So we
You
have
can
Dheeraj
just,
for the profile review.
who have joined recently, you can just go to the link. I'm pasting it here again and create an issue there to get your profile reviewed. You can see 7 people are watching us right now. No problem, Madhav. You just drop your GitHub username here. So let's
So we
see
have
our
a new issue from Dheeraj.
what to say. Like I'm a little bit of nervous because he's a great. He's great at all points, and he had once helped me a little bit.
That's great.
And you can call me. We have a kind of brother sister relationship, although it's online thing.
That's cool. That's cool. Awesome. It's a short
Yeah,
readme,
short.
but I
Read
guess
me.
it does the job if you want to create it short. Yeah, I think that's perfect.
What can be done? I think this Dhiru quotes on Twitter. This can be linked to
Yeah,
the
it's
Twitter
like
profile.
linked. Like if you look at the left side, it's already linked. So that works
Okay,
anyways.
okay. Yeah, that works fine. Mail is also there, so looks cool.
Yeah, this looks good. Also, we have Madhav Gupta 07. Okay. Where did it go?
Yeah, you can always update your GitHub profile whenever you like. Also, it's good to have your profile updated.
Yeah,
Madhav, let me see.
Gupta 07. Yeah, probably this is a fairly newly built profile, and
Yes,
the very first thing I would recommend is to get started with being active in it because, yeah, I get it. And instead of writing ABCD in the company, you can like leave it empty because, like, why to write ABCD? And since it's a really short readme, I would rather tell you to like write something about you because you have already added those stats in a line, so that's good.
I forgot that my camera was off.
Oh
Lol.
no. Lol.
Okay, so a little bio, the about us section, and remove this part. And active on GitHub. Just that's the thing.
Yeah, exactly.
Uh, you haven't created any issue, so you will. I hope you will
Yeah,
remember these things.
probably they'll watch the live stream. Yeah, awesome.
So that's was our last. So we have reviewed almost 11 GitHub
Yeah,
profiles.
we actually reviewed 11 and it's almost 2 hours. Awesome.
Yeah. So thank. I'd like to thank all of you for joining in.
Exactly. Thanks to whoever has joined, and it was awesome reviewing profiles. Like we all get to know so much.
Yeah, so let's end the live stream here. We will do another this kind of live stream in the near future. Had
Exactly.
fun. Almost 2 hours. Only five? No, only 4 minutes left. Yeah. Okay, so bye Tamal and bye
Okay.
everyone.
Bye, everyone.
Yeah.
Cool.
Yeah, we will have more live streams soon.
Exactly.
Thanks for
Good
joining
night.
in. Yeah, good night.